In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix website not allowed in iPhone. It's a quick guide, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's actually super easy to go ahead and do this. Now, let's say you have some restrictions on, like you put some restrictions on yourself on what you can search and what you can't search through privacy and content restrictions. If I go over to Siri, as you can see, it's only approved websites. So if I went over to something like Safari, right now, I went and opened up a new tab, and then I went to search an entire new website, and I went to youtube.com. So when I press enter, as you can see, it says website not allowed. youtube.com is a restricted website. So if I want to allow this, what I got to go ahead and do is press add website to allowed list. Then you got to enter your screen time passcode. So I'm just going to enter mine in right now. And as you can see, it is now allowed. And what I can go ahead and do is I can go over to my settings and I'll basically see it over here as well. As you can see, youtube.com is right there. If you want to allow all websites, go from only approved websites to unrestricted. You're going to type in your screen time passcode again. But once it's unrestricted, then you're going to be able to use literally anything you want, and then you'll be good to go. It's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.